I think the kids next door are dropping bowling balls. They came from marbles to bowling balls. Anyway, hey! If anyone really knows me, they know I have a thing for lights. Fairy lights, Christmas lights, RGB mechanical keyboards, things that light up on your head, like this, or this, or this. Okay, this is less obnoxious, right? Five Below is one of my favorite stores, and lately I've been seeing a lot of LED RGB lights for everything, literally everything, for your shower, for your toilet. Well, I couldn't resist. Ow! Let's open them up, play with them, and see if they're really worth under $6. I think everything I bought here was under $6 because you know Five Below isn't all Five Below. All right, let's get started. First is the glow ball. I think it's just a ball that glows and it changes colors. 16 different colors it says. So, is it worth $5 or was it $5.95? Do I even have a receipt? I think I lost my receipt somewhere. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to return any of this anyway. All right. It's just a ball. Oh, okay. And it comes with what in the world? Oh, I thought that was a sticker. Instruction book. And remote. And this is the ball. I need a little baby screwdriver to open it and put the batteries in. What happened to the tools in this house? You know what? I just realized these other ones might need to be unscrewed to put the batteries in. So, yeah, let me go to Walmart real quick. Be right back. Alrighty, I am back. All right, let's open this thing up. Oh my gosh, why does it even need a screw? Excuse me. I can't unscrew this. It's safe to say I might not play with this one tonight. So let's open up something else and not waste my time on that one. Okay, next one. Remote control color changing puck light. It says it's a peel and stick mounting remote control, obviously. Wireless operation, 13 colors plus cool white. It's good for closets, cabinets, shelves, decorative, anywhere. It says anywhere. There's like an adhesive backing. Is that a word? There's like an adhesive thingy there, so you can stick it like wherever. Here's a light, puck light. Light. First color is red. You know what? Let me turn down this light some. Okay, you can't see me, but here's red, green, blue, and the cool white, and uncool white? I don't know. And off. Okay. Now here's the remote, and I think it said there was like 13 colors or something. Yeah, 13 colors. Okay, it works. Okay, so I pushed the green button. Alrighty. And you can set a timer for 4 hours, 8 hours. You can do multicolor, whatever that means. Oh, okay, so it just changes colors. So there's an option for multicolor on the remote. Okay, let's do red. Green. Hello. Okay, you kind of just have to press in there. I have nails too, so it makes it a little hard. Let me turn off the lights. Okay. Let's tell scary stories. I think this would be cool. Like, let me turn this back on. If I could put this on my ceiling above the TV, I think that would make cool lighting since I don't actually have to push it on and off because the remote can do that for you. Yay, cool. So under $6, holographic projector. I like that light back there. Okay. Okay. So there's an option for white. Let me turn this off again. Oh, I like this light. I don't think you really see it how it actually looks. It's actually like holographic looking. Okay, and then, okay, now you can really see it, see? Oops. It's like that. Oh, it's so pretty without the light, actually. Okay, here's with the light, without the light. Okay, let's try the colored light. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so if you're having like a karaoke party or something, this would be fun to have. Yeah, you can't really see it too well in camera, but in person, it's very cool. Very cool. This was $5.55. Party. Multicolor LED light bar. So here's the light bar and the remote for it. 16 colors, 4 modes, it says. All right, so the moment I put the batteries in, the light came on. All right, let me turn this light off so you can see the colors. What happened to it? How? It just... Oh, so you shake it to turn the light on? What? This is fun. Here's the remote. Okay, off. Yeah, turn off. Okay, on, off, off. Okay. I have no idea what these other buttons do, so let's turn it back on. Okay. So there is the flash mode, which I guess is what it was on. Strobe. Is it strobe? Fade. Is it fading? Still, okay, it's slowly fading. Oh boy, let me turn this off again. Okay. Fade and smooth. That's smooth. They call that smooth? Okay, this is flash again. Strobe. Okay, whatever. Okay, what does this do? Okay, now let's do this vanity mirror, and I bought it because it just reminds me of Hello Kitty, and if you've seen my last video or some videos ago, I love Hello Kitty. This is a vanity mirror, and it says here, Essential Beauty Perfect. It's a cat-shaped 360 swivel bright LED and a convenient storage space for jewelry, makeup, and more. 3 AAA batteries. Let's do this. Cute! Okay. So you could actually take it off of the base and you can, okay, there's a, oops. Oh, yep, it definitely swivels. Okay, so right here is the on and off switch. Let's turn off this light. Okay, I'm having too much fun. And it swivels. Oh, there's my fan. It swivels. Okay, enough of this one. We got 2 more. We got 2 more. I need to stop looking over there. Let's turn this one back on. Okay. Whoa! Okay, I'm excited. about this one because it's an LED butterfly. Now they had other ones like a rainbow. Sorry if you're gonna start hearing some annoying noises in a bit because I think my hedgehog is about to run on his wheel. No, he's not blue, and no, his name is not Sonic. His name is Tuk Tuk. Okay, battery is in. Let's turn the light off. Cute. Oh. What? Hello? Did I put the battery in wrong? You know, Ricky. Oh! Ah! Okay, here we go. Okay, turn the light off again. Oh. Oh, that's so cute. So you can't really see it in the camera, but the wings are pink and then the body is purple. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Where am I gonna put this? Okay, so this one's fun. This is an LED toilet nightlight. You know, just in case, you know, you gotta wake up in the middle of the night and you don't want to miss the toilet. And have I missed a toilet? Yeah. Have I fallen to a toilet? Yeah. Only because the toilet seat cover was up and I didn't realize that because it was dark. My eyes were closed-ish and kind of small, so I can fall into the toilet. That's unfortunate. Okay, so this has 8 colors and 2 color modes. You can select, so the 2 modes, you can select a color or you can rotate the colors. It's motion sensor. It is water resistant. We're gonna go put this in the toilet. That is so funny. So the sensor is on the side over here. If we turn it off, I don't know. I think it switches modes. Yeah, there's 2 modes. So it was in the color changing mode. So now it's like stuck on this blue color. So in person, this color right now is like a teal color. And now it's just color changing. That's so funny. So I think I would put it somewhere where it'll detect motion. So that way it'll be cool. Anyway, that's my toilet. Yeah, no biggie. This is the only one out of all the ones that I bought that needs to be unscrewed to put the batteries in. I think we have progress. I'm using a knife instead. Okay, I am back, friends. All right. So, I got it to turn on with the battery. Here's the remote. You turn it on. You could adjust the brightness. You have 4 different modes. So there's flash, which is this. Strobe, fade, and smooth. So let me turn off this light. Okay, so we're at flash right now. Strobe. Fade. Yeah, it's slowly fading. You can't really see. I guess it's too bright. But it's changing colors right now. You can see it on my face though. Okay. And then this is smooth. And then you can just have your solid colors. I'm just switching it on the button, on the remote right now. That looks like a peach. That looks like a peach. Okay. Purple. Oh, I like that one. I'm gonna put it here. Oh. Alright. I think you guys are starting to see the weird side of me. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.